My name is Tony Hayes. I'm responsible for engineering and operations at Fontaine Fifth Wheel. Fontaine Fifth Wheel are a Tier 1 supplier of mechanical couplings to the heavy-duty truck industry, mainly Volvo, Renault, Daimler, Scania and DAF trucks.
I'm Jonathan Presley from Barcode-IT. We specialise in barcode-driven technology for transport logistics, manufacturing and warehouse operations. We were approached by Fontaine for a specific project where they needed to be able to supply to their customers full traceability from assembly through to finished goods.
The catalyst for the project was a customer-specific requirement, mainly from Volvo and Daimler, and it also allows full traceability for safety-critical fastened joints. We chose Barcode-IT because we've been using them on several other label and barcoding projects over the last 15 years, and we've had a lot of success with the projects in the past.
As a Zebra Solutions partner, we reached out to key individuals within the organisation to see whether there would be a product suitable that would allow us to track the product through its manufacturing process. We were alerted to a new product that Zebra had released, Silverline RFID labels, that it can be applied on metal and withstand the adverse conditions that were required for this specific project. Using a variety of different hardware solutions from Zebra, including a ZT400 series industrial label printer capable of printing the Silverline tags, and then the MC3300 RFID readers, it allowed us to be able to print and encode the data that was required onto the tag, but then also be able to read it throughout the manufacturing and assembly process. As part of this project, we were required to work alongside Atlas Copco, who provide the DC driver that torques the nuts and bolts as part of the assembly process, and also with our internal software development team. We created a solution that gives full traceability from assembly through to finished goods. The operator uses a bespoke software solution that was written in-house by Barcode-IT. Using a touchscreen PC, he selects which product he's going to be assembling. That then sends the appropriate configuration through to the Atlas Copco DC driver.
The difference to our business is the fact that we've got increased quality assurance within our product, but not only for Fontaine, but also for our customers. It's increased traceability, and knowing that we've got the data available from an RFID, a serial number or a sales order, that we can report the data readings for each fifth wheel back to the end user at any time. There was no hesitation in using RFID because it is something as a company we are aware of, but we don't have the in-house skill set to manage it ourselves. It is part of some of the customer specific requirements too, so to introduce it, it was a positive. The support's been excellent. If we've had any slight niggles in the project, which you often do, we've been on the phone to Barcode-IT, and they've either been on remotely, give us telephone support, or even visitors on site, and any issues have been cleared up in a very efficient manner.